day everyone, my name is Gian Adalid from 12 Elisha. I'm here now to present to you my performance task number 3 in subject Contemporary Philippine Art from Literature or CIPAR subject. Performance number 3 naman is poster making entitled Attribute to National Artists. So, this is my poster. Yan. That is my poster. Ito yung ginawa kong poster. Explain ko sa inyo kung bakit ito yung poster na ginawa ko. Sa middle part na to, ito, that is a medallion. Ito yung medallion na ginagawad sa mga national artists natin. Yung medallion na yan, yung gitna, may symbol yan dyan na parang letter H. Pero yan symbol na yan is a KKK. Para siyang baybayong words. Para ito yung motto nila. Yung KKK na yun is katotohanan, kabutihan, and kagandahan. Yan. Ano nun to? Coverage nito is music, dance, and visual arts. Ito, visual arts to, yung color palette na yan, camera is a part of visual arts, right? Ewan ko lang, basta parang part siya ng visual arts. Kaya ko siya nilagay dyan. So, for music, ito, may guitar yan dyan. Dapat may mga instrument kinemi pa yan, kaso wala na akong time, kaya hindi ko na nagawa. Ito, may nota-nota yan dyan. Ayan, that's a part of music. So, dito muna tayo. Itong pen na to, alam niyo ba, kanino yan? Kay Jose Rizal yan. Wala lang si Jose Rizal kasi dati lalagay ko siya dito kasi wag na lang. Itong pen na to kay Jose Rizal. Si Jose Rizal is gawa ni Jose Garcia Villar. Isa rin siyang national artist in literature. So, yan. Ito, may mascara dito. Para mascara, ayan. Sad and happy. Wala akong ano eh. Kaya sad and happy. Yan. Itong mascara na to is represent theater. Ayan, may sumasayaw dito. Yan, sumasayaw yan. Boy and girl, sumasayaw. So, that's just this is my poster. Yan. Yan lang. Thank you guys. Bye-bye!